Hello everyone, Byron here from Steel Outfitters, and today I'm back on site checking out this carport we finished a little while ago. Now I've got some photos coming up, only 3 photos, and I've got a short video at the end showing the new carport. Now this guy, when he rang me, he wanted to buy a boat, and you can see the problem that we've got here on the old carport. His opening is only about 1.8 meters. So when he drives in, even his car, like you can see from the top, it barely just makes it into the carport. Now I suggested a gable structure going from the front all the way to the back, but that was a little bit out of his budget, and we come up with another design that we use now so many times, and it works out very well if you got a caravan or a boat or Land Cruiser or whatever. It works out very well. So check out this transformation, and if you want something like this, give us a call. Enjoy.